Hello everyone. Are you looking for an efficient and reliable solution to recycle lead-acid batteries? Let me introduce you to our state-of-the-art lead-acid battery dismantling machine, designed specifically to streamline the recycling process and boost your productivity. Key features. 1. High capacity. This machine can dismantle 11 batteries per minute, allowing for an impressive throughput of around 40 tons per day. It's perfect for large-scale operations. 2. Versatile size. It can accommodate batteries up to 55 centimeters in length, making it suitable for various battery types. 3. Durable construction. Built from stainless steel, our machine is engineered to resist acid corrosion, ensuring it stands the test of time in demanding environments. 4. Efficient power supply. It operates on a 400 volts, 3-phase, 50 Hz electrical system, delivering reliable performance. Why is recycling lead-acid batteries important? Lead-acid batteries are widely used in many applications, from automotive to industrial settings. However, improper disposal can lead to serious environmental risks due to toxic lead and sulfuric acid. By using our dismantling machine, you can recover valuable lead and plastic components while supporting environmentally responsible practices. By investing in our lead-acid battery dismantling machine, you're not just upgrading your equipment, you're contributing to a sustainable future. If you're interested in optimizing your battery recycling process, feel free to contact us today for more information. We're here to help you meet your specific needs.